The northern island of Hokkaido is blessed with a wealth of natural wonders and is home to a broad variety of plant life. Harnessing its creativity and entrepreneurial spirit, the Amino Up Chemical Company has continued its relentless search for unique biologically active compounds from botanicals. The rich plant life of this land is a precious asset, and it is our mission to utilize this asset for the development of products that can improve people's health. To protect the environment, we are actively addressing environmental issues, including water treatment, the reuse of exhaust heat, CO2 reduction, and the elimination of industrial waste. To have the CO2 emissions of the company, a number of energy-saving systems were incorporated from the design phase. The structures created a major buzz when they were awarded the highest rank of S in the CASB Sapporo system, a benchmark for assessing the environmental performance of buildings. The Eco House building features a snow cooling system designed to cool collected fresh air using the chill of snow for air conditioning. The building has an underground warehouse with enough capacity to hold 50 dump trucks worth of snow collected from the premises during winter and stored for use throughout the year. Consideration of biodiversity was the most important feature of the architectural plan for the buildings. A variety of ideas were developed to conserve and create biological environments. A green area in the middle of the premises also serves as a habitat for various flora and fauna. Its structure has layers ranging from shrubs to tall trees for harmony with the surrounding natural forests. Appropriate vegetation for the region was also created by planting indigenous trees. Other efforts include the construction of an underground tunnel to let small animals pass.